I do like working a robot. It's fun to see like a big machine just do a whole bunch of crazy stuff and know like I know how to control that. Like I'm just pushing a bunch of buttons and this machine is doing whatever it wants. Like it's cool. My name is Tyra and I am a production machinist. I have a bunch of jobs doing beam finishing. I'm doing, the robot, CNC, and then I also am setting my own product. I like the finishing part. I like taking something that looks like a piece of junk and making it look brand new. It's just so satisfying to me, I guess, seeing that like I can make something ugly look beautiful, In high school, I went to Worcester Tech, and then I explored auto body and fell in love with that shop. After leaving tech and graduating with auto body, I tried getting a job, but they weren't very woman-friendly. Every time I applied, it was always, oh, we have like an office position, or we'll get back to you, and I would never hear back. And I needed something full-time. I wanted to make money. I wasn't going to school. I was just kind of doing like, I would describe it as, teenager jobs. Being a mom, and a new mom especially, it wasn't enough. So after 3 months, I applied here, and I got it, so. When I first started, I wasn't the best, I didn't even know what a CNC Laguna was until I stepped foot in this door. So then when I finally got the opportunity to try it myself, I was like, well, this is really cool. I'm really skinny, I don't have, muscles or things like that. I'm 5'11", so I've worked with beams that are even taller than me that I have to, kind of like twirl like a baton, essentially. I kind of just went right in, and was like, okay, I can do this. I can believe in myself. I can get it done, and it's like nothing to me now. I can just flip them, get the job done easy. My dad actually works here. That's how I knew about this place. And he's always, said, this is a place where you can grow. You're not just stuck. You have endless opportunities to grow here. And he was 100% true. I started off in green finishing. Within a year later, I was, in beam finishing. And you can, spend the same amount of time, working somewhere else, feeling like you're doing 10 times the work and not making anything for it. Where here, I do a lot of work, but I feel appreciated for it, one, and I also get paid well for it. They will teach you everything you need to know, as long as you're willing to work, show up on time. If you want to be able to grow, you want to be able to feel appreciated, I would say 100% give Saint-Gobain a shot. It's awesome. It's a very good company if you, want to move up.